You know what I like? Cats. This is Tofu. I'm cat-sitting him for the weekend, and I want to make him the meal of his dreams. So, Kitty, what would you like to eat?
Let me get a chicken's Alfredo.
Sure, I can do that. Sorry, bud. That one is mine. Yours is this one. After enjoying our chicken Alfredo together, sadly, it was time to return Tofu back to his owner. All right, buddy. It's time for you to go home. Until next time, cat.